Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys enjoy.
And he's playing with a friend of his.
Yes, I'm joining another friend too.
And I'm right here.
Download this. Let's get this going. Yeah? What did you say?
He said, you Sav.
Anyway,
He was saying your name as a pun.
today I'm doing my first face reveal, I guess. Hello.
You should have shown me instead.
No.
They would have been surprised that.
Okay, what? Oh, this world? Wait, you modded this? Johnny, you modded this? Then why did I have to download something?
Oh, there's a new
Why? There's nukes?
Nukes!
Oh, ow! Okay, yep, there's nukes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the... Oh, wait, it was paused. Never mind. I thought it stopped recording. Where are you, Johnny?
He's nowhere, yet everywhere. He'll crush your soul. Have fun with that.
Okay, then.
I am very dark.
Oh, frick, it's not mirrored.
I think I might be
Johnny, where are you? Tell me.
I'm right next to you, actually.
No, you're not. I can't see you.
What's up?
Yeah, I still don't see you.
Yeah, you.
You're not on my screen.
He's right. He looks.
Teleport to me. You said you were above me. Hi.
Creep. Very creepy, man. Why are you
Can I have
watching
armor?
people? Okay, when I get in the world, can I have some
You
loot?
do. You're wearing some.
I made it.
Do you have extra?
Maybe.
Do you have leather?
Jonathan,
I'd go for anything.
could I have a nuke, please?
No, not having.
Oh, fudge.
Well, then can I at least be uncreative? I don't
Could you
wanna
plug this
die
in
over.
if there's something
Oh.
next to you?
It's right next to you. That's the only one here. No, where Roman is.
I hope this can reach it, so I have to charge my computer.
Oh wait, no, look, there's an extension cord right there.
Oh, yes, go... Ah!
Okay.
Don't hit me. Just throw it. Oh, chainmail.
That's all I got.
Wait, I'm in.
This
please.
garbage. Fine, I'll take it.
You're a mess.
Oh, never mind, it's not garbage.
I'm nice. I'm worth it. Just give me a defense. Oh, actually, I got a lot of stuff here. Holy cave.
Did you join?
Yes, and I'm.
Oh,
Hey,
wait.
Yusuf. Will you be my bodyguard? I'll give you a sword. I have enough.
I have a sword.
Dang it.
That was me.
I'll give you. Why? Why are you, Jonathan? Jonathan,
Anyway,
just.
I'll be right back.
Jonathan, just why?
Plug this in here.
Jonathan, I just have
Gabe,
one
let's swap desks.
deal.
Because I don't think this is gonna reach. You take your back, get my computer. No, I'll do it.
Okay. Because I'm getting some stuff. Oh, yes.
What happened? Did you get a nuke?
I got ladders.
Oh, God.
Wait, how do
What's
you...
them deep?
What,
What's
is
the,
it really called a nuke?
Yeah.
Really? That's-
Can I have one? Oh, I see your portal.
There's no real nuke.
Spotted it, Gabe. Okay.
I'm looking at it. I literally typed in nuke.
Wait, are you in creative?
Except just run. I'm telling you that just run.
What? Something hit me.
Yeah, a nuke. It's real.
Something literally just hit
The
me.
nukes are...
It's a nuke.
Jonathan, please let me have...
Oh my gosh.
Jonathan,
Please say my house is not ruined.
I think you just broke your own world.
I think I did.
Is the house good?
I don't know.
Oh,
I'm right now swimming, so I can go find out.
okay.
And my wand,
Johnny, give me up.
which I'm very mad at.
Oh no, my house is slightly broken.
Hey, you made an end portal with
That portal has been there. Where?
Inside the end portal?
Hey, you have 3 deaths.
Yeah, because Jonathan keeps killing me over and over.
Make that 4.
No, please! No!
Yes, I got him!
Really? Yusuf? I thought we
Okay.
were friends.
Oh my gosh.
Let it be said,
Oh,
Yusuf,
I'll take
that
this
now you are
bow.
definitely gonna
That's
listen.
mine.
I'm coming for you. Jonathan,
You saw nothing.
Yusuf, I'm coming for you. And I'm gonna hunt
Nuke.
you down until I
I'm not
find
telling
you.
you.
It's not here. I searched it and I don't see it.
Trust me, Yusuf, I'm hunting you down.
Oh yeah? Well, you better be ready. I have a bow.
Me too. So you'll be ready. And plus, wait, put it on survival. I mean,
It's not
no.
surprising.
I mean, on easy. Oh, dang it. You actually got me.
You said you had a bow. Use it.
Oh, I think I threw it. But I still have my arrow.
Ha!
The
Ha!
bow's gone. I must have threw it in the lake. I'm looking for my
Oh
bow.
no.
Does anyone have my bow? By any chance? I literally...
Oh, found a zombie.
Huh?
There's this. Yeah, it's not more.
Oh, yes!
Yo!
Kill the Yusuf zombie!
What? Where's the light? Oh, where's the light source?
So,
Would you get in bigger trouble if you like were in a fight or like had narcotics?
I have no idea. I have no.
Yusuf,
Oh my gosh,
Runs
give
in
me.
trouble.
if you hurt my pet zombie, I hurt
You get
you.
in trouble for assault or getting in trouble.
Yes.
You hit my pet zombie.
I have white wool. That sounded racist.
Yes, it does.
No!
Oh, yes, he
You gotta say yellow wool.
Oh, wait, you're done.
I'm going to the. Ah! What happened? Oh no, I'm going. Bye. Bye. Another nuke is here.
If no one gives me a nuke, I'm gonna cry and stay in a hole for 2 hours.
I am going fell into the lava.
That's what you get!
And I'm not dying.
Maybe you're God.
Ah, I'm drowning.
Oh, it's even worse.
Oh, come on, gas. You can't resistance?
Everyone, don't spare Yusuf. He doesn't deserve you.
No.
He doesn't deserve it.
Okay, I got one.
He has a lot of history of being evil. He deserves no
I
mercy.
died for the man.
Oh, shoot.
Hey, your nuke's evil now.
Okay, I think your world is broken.
Yeah, and I'm going to the nether with Yusuf.
Okay, I got it. There's blocks bouncing on lava.
I'm coming for
Look at my
Yusuf.
screen. Look at my screen, Gabe. Is this no?
No.
Gabriel.
Really?
Not in the house.
Look at this.
I was trying to get to the nether portal. No, it is not. What is it? What the? Just found the most abnormal thing
Blocks floating in
In
lava.
lava.
No, they're technically bouncing.
on lava. You're having a little party.
So, look how
Maybe
far I have
it's
to
a
travel.
nuke. You better get it. It might be a nuke. Yeah.
No.
That's how far I fell.
It's TNT.
Well, time to go mining. Might as well mine as much netherite as I can.
I'm just running right now.
Yeah, your world is definitely broken, Johnny.
Jonathan, can I at least get to the nether portal to
Go
join?
make your own.
Huh?
Ah, frick.
How am I supposed to get obsidian? Or fire? I barely have anything.
I am mining as much
Yeah.
netherite as I
Seriously,
can.
man? You're not gonna let. So you're gonna let Yusuf use your end portal, nether portal, but not me?
Well, I already got in, so and he didn't get.
I really can't do anything about it.
Exactly. So could I go in there?
Well, I'm about to get out, so
Please, I'll give you anything.
I want you.
I'm gonna keep mining until I get until my
I'll give you
pickaxe
netherite
breaks.
if I find any.
Down and
Netherite isn't in Education Edition.
It's not.
Yes, did you know that?
No, then why are you looking for netherite?
I'm not. I'm mining so I can get blocks to get out of here.
pull it down.
Because I fell into lava.
Jonathan, if you even
I
try-
probably have plenty of blocks, but I'm just gonna break this pickaxe. Okay,
What?
I got a lot of blocks.
I'm
Gabe.
about to flip your computer across the room. God.
ladder to my house.
To your roof. That's my new home. Cause someone didn't
I did
nuke.
not allow you to go on my roof.
But someone nuked my home.
What, roof or room?
Roof.
If someone did nuke your
Okay.
roof, I wonder who.
Yeah.
Almost to the nether portal.
Or at least
I'm level with the
I
nether
promise I won't
portal.
make noise and creep you out.
Nah!
I'm here for a peace treating. Where are you?
Oh, it died. Fall damage exists, but dying in lava doesn't? That's baloney. Absolute baloney. Oh, wait, hold on, I have time. Ah! Teleport me to you, Johnny, please.
You don't want to be with Johnny. He's gonna kill you.
That,
Yes, I do.
I doubt it. Johnny, will you kill me?
I'm in the nether. I'm just checking out.
Oh, hello.
Oh, really? Netherrack isn't here, right, Yusuf? This
I put that there.
really?
No, 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 no. Dang it. No, 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 no. Why'd you kill me?
I was getting the free netherrack.
No!
Who killed me?
Look at the chat. Don't say my name yet. I will. Do not say my name. Do not say my name. I will do a name reveal when I want.
Okay, then stop killing me for your dumb netherrack. God. Okay, you're dead. Where are you? Come here. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, bro.
I have 4 minutes of recording time left. I might live stream after
You
this.
Yusuf. I warned you. Yes. I have netherrack.
Whoa, why was there fire? I just saw fire.
Oh, you're right. That's not me. I can promise you that's not me.
Oh, wait, that's the lightning.
Oh, God, run. Lightning attack.
I'm getting so many kills.
Please, Yusuf, you're evil.
I'm going mining, Tyler.
Okay.
Yusuf.
Take me with you.
Yeah, take
After I
me with
kill
you.
her. After I kill Gabe
No,
one
no,
more
no,
time.
after. Not after. Before.
Ah, dang it.
No, thank you.
Dang it. Oh, I killed you?
Yeah, you killed me and I killed you at the same time.
Lol. Where are you, Johnny? You said you're going mining?
I'm taking all this netherrack.
Whoa, this is beautiful. Too much.
Mind me stealing all the netherrack he brought here.
Eh, I don't care anymore.
Good.
Where are the diamonds? I want some diamonds. Hello. Shield, Johnny, go.
What? Why does he need
Wow.
He's fighting you guys.
Show me some diamonds. Ah! Gold, give me that. I want it. Give it. No, 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 no. Don't.
Kill him!
I said gold. I have no idea, but it makes the game so much easier. What happened?
Jonathan,
Johnny.
avenge me! He's evil! He wants to
Ah!
steal
Oh
your
my
diamonds.
gosh, that scared me. I'm eating raw fish.
That's disgusting.
It's the only food I have. Oh, I found a creeper. Hello, creeper. Ah!
Creeper, kill him!
Don't kill me.
Avenge me!
Ha! He didn't kill me, nerd. Diamonds!
What?
No way!
I'm teleporting myself to you.
No, no. Do you have op?
No, dang it.
Please, can I have these diamonds? I found them.
I don't want the diamonds.
Huh?
I want...
What did you say, Johnny?
What?
Can I have the diamonds?
I don't know where they went.
Give me the diamonds!
I'm not gonna do them all.
Where are you?
Give me those diamonds. I found them.
Yusuf, I just want help. I just want protection. Since you have diamonds, you can protect me.
No, he took my diamonds.
I will kill him!
Johnny, cut back here.
And I already know Johnny's not going to defend me. He's going to kill me over and over and over and over.
Oh, come on.
Like crazy.
Dude, seriously?
I'm not joking, he will.
You forgot the bottom.
Really? He did?
Yes! I could swim. Swimming's a...
Where is... Hey,
Oh, what the... Where'd you go, Johnny?
I'm on Johnny's roof. I have to get a break.
Oh, shoot. Die, stupid skeleton. No,